Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we want to find the value of x given that you have x raised to the power 3 minus into bracket of 3 plus square root of 3x plus 3 equals 0. Of course, this is a Olympiad question and it is very difficult to solve, but let's see how to solve this problem. So we have its solution. We have x raised to the power 3 minus into bracket of 3 plus square root of 3x plus 3, everything equals 0. So from here, let's say y to be equals square root of 3, which implies that our y square equals 3. Now from here, we're going to have our x raised to the power 3 minus into bracket of 3 plus, from here we're going to have this one to be y into bracket of x plus our 3 equals y square. Then we have everything to be equals 0. So from here we can write everything as x raised to the power 3 minus into bracket of this is y square, and this one is plus, we have this one to be plus y into bracket multiplied by x plus y square. We have everything to be equals 0. So now guys, from here, let's open the bracket. When we open the bracket, we're going to have this to be x raised to the power 3. This multiplied by this, we have it to be minus y square x. This one will also be minus xy plus y square. We have everything to be equals 0. So from here, we can see that something is common here between this and this, which is x into bracket of x square minus y square. And likewise from here, we have y to be common. We have y into bracket of x minus y. We have everything to be equals 0. Now, from here, we have this one to be difference of 2 square. We can have it to be x into bracket of x minus y multiplied by x plus y. Then this one will be y into bracket of x minus y. We have everything to be equals 0. So therefore from here guys, we have x minus y in common. So we can have here to be x minus y into, then we are going to have only x into bracket of x plus y. Then we have factored this one out, so we are going to have minus y and everything will be equals 0. So from here, let's open this bracket. We have this one to be x minus y into this multiplied by this, we have it to be x squared. This multiplied by this, we have it to be plus xy, then minus y equals 0. So now let's substitute the corresponding value of x and y. We have our x minus the value of y is square root of 3 into x square. Then we have it to be plus y is square root of 3x minus square root of 3 equals 0. And this is simply a quadratic equation. Now, from here, we can have it to be x minus root 3 equals 0. It's either this equals 0, or this one is equal to 0, or everything is equal 0. So in that case, when we have the first one, x minus square root of 3 to be equal 0, or we can have it to be x squared plus square root of 3x minus square root of 3 to be equals 0. So from here, we can have this one to be x1 equals square root of 3. Now, mind you that we are dealing with a cubic equation. And a cubic equation, we are expected to have or to get 3 values. So the first one is x1 to be equal to square root of 3. Now the second one, we can get this one as by recall from a general expression of quadratics to be x equals minus b, positive or negative. Then we have it to square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. Now from here, we have x to be equals, then our minus b, our b here is what? Square root of 3. Then we are going to have it to be minus square root of 3, then positive or negative. Now, square root of 3 square here will be 3 minus 4 into our a is 1, and our c is equals minus square root of 3 and all divided by 2 multiplied by a, which is 1. And we're going to have our x to be equals minus square root of 3, positive or negative. Now from here, this one will be 3. Minus times minus will be plus. 4 times 1 times square root of 3 will be 4 roots 3. And everything divided by 2. So from here, we can finally declare that our x1 equals, by pick the first one to be minus square root of 3, then plus 3 plus 4 root 3, all divided by 2. That's our x2, sorry. So therefore, we can also have our x3 to be equals, by pick the second one, minus square root of 3 minus then square root 3 plus 4 root 3, all divided by 2. So guys, we can finally declare that we have our x1 to be equals root 3 and our x2 to be equals minus square root of 3, then plus square root of 3 plus 4 root 3 divided by 2, and our s3 equals minus square root of 3. Then we have it to be minus square root of 3 plus 4 root 3 divided by 2. Now we can check we're going to check for the only x1, I think. Now when we have x raised to the power 3 minus 3 plus square root of 3 x plus 3, are they going to be equals 0 when the value of x equals this? When the value of x equals this one. So from here, we can easily have this to be root 3 raised to the power 3 minus 3 plus square root of 3. Then our x is square root of 3 plus 3. They're going to be equal 0. So from here, then this multiplied by this, we have it to be minus 3 root 3. This multiplied by this, we have it to be, we have this one to be minus 3, then plus 3. And they're going to be equal 0. It is obvious that this will cancel this. So the next thing we're going to have will be this minus, this one will now be minus 3 root 3. Are they going to be equal 0? So from here, we can simplify this to be 3 square multiplied by root 3, and this one will also be root 3 root 3. Are they going to be equals 0? So from here, this will cancel this. We have it to be 3 root 3 minus 3 root 3. This is equals 0 equals 0. So the value of x equals root 3 is true for this problem, and we can consider this one as the real solution. If you are new here, watch this video, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more mathematics tutorial videos. Bye bye.